G'day everyone. Good morning, afternoon, or evening, depends on wherever you are in the world. Very recent, I have some time playing around with Autocad using dynamic block. Um, Many of you might have heard about it or know how to use this tool, so please ignore. For those who don't know or who just heard about and still want to learn, so in this videos, and I'm going to make a number of videos to demonstrate how to create dynamic block. So let's learn together. So this is just one example that I play around with. Sometime for my job, I need a flow arrows like this with a number of actions. For example, um, I want to stretch, yeah, and I want to um, flip it around. I want to rotate it to wherever the directions I want to rotate. And then also on top of the arrows, I want to have text to write dimension of the pipe and the pipe type, for example, reinforced concrete pipe or UPVC. Or sometimes I want to write pipe class. And also I want to flip the text up and down, yeah, like that. And also I want to place the flow arrow and the text parallel with the pipe alignment. So for example, this one, if I want to align it, okay, so yeah, like that. And then you want to flip it around, yeah, flip the text and then move it down. So the block here has a number of actions added to it, and it's ready to use. Um, oh, see that one you can change stretch, okay, and then you can rotate it, and even you can go here. You can change even you want to change the scale, the annotative scale as well. You can do that. Change the so you can change the rotation. Zero is horizontal. Um, yeah. So a number of things that you can do with dynamic block. So let's learn together. Before I start, I just want to add I'm going to use English in these videos mainly, not only because I want to share the knowledge with you guys, but also I want to practice my speaking English. So sometime if I sounds a little bit unclear or my Vietnamese thick accent. So I'm sorry for that. But be patient with each other, and we learn together. Thank you.